What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Alisia.B, and I am back with another hair tutorial for you guys today. This hairstyle I've been putting off for a while because I'm like, I don't know if it's gonna fit me. I haven't done this hairstyle since I was a child, and you know what? I just took the plunge, you know, new year, new me type of thing, whatever. So I'm like, you know what? Let's just try it. If it doesn't look good, I'm still gonna post it because it could look good for somebody else. You know what I mean? So I saw all the black beauties doing it on YouTube. I'm like, you know what? This is gonna be a wagon I'm gonna jump on. So fingers crossed, this hairstyle looks good, and it is the Bantu Knot hairstyle. Where I come from, we call it shiny bumps. That's what this style that we're gonna attempt today. Super easy, not hard at all. You could use extensions or you could use real hair. I'm using extensions because I want my knots or my shiny bumps to be a little bit bigger. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I get this hairstyle. And if you're new, thank you guys so much for clicking on this link. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the thumbs up if you guys like this video and you guys enjoyed it and you learned something from it as well. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So the things that you're gonna need for this hairstyle is a fine tooth comb to part your hair, not to comb it, just to part it. You're gonna have your wide tooth comb to comb your hair. And then we're gonna have some scrunchies or ponytail holders, whatever you guys call them, just to help section your hair off. A brush, optional. This brush, a diamond brush, or any detangling brush you use would be good for this hairstyle to make sure that your hair is nice and smooth. We're gonna use gel today, and then we have our black elastic bands. We have our edge control, and obviously we have braids. So the way I'm gonna start this hairstyle is I'm gonna part my hair off in 3 sections. We're gonna have a back portion, we're gonna have a middle portion, and we're gonna have a top portion. That's how we're gonna first section off right here. Like you guys know, I am the section queen. I do not do my hair on a hole like this. I always section off my hair. Make sure that it is even because the most important part of this hairstyle is the parts. I'm gonna try my best to do it, but make sure that the parts are nice and clean and straight. Alright, so I managed to part my hair into 3. So as you guys can see, hopefully the lines are straight. I try to get them as straight as I can, but this will do for now. So we're gonna start off with the front part. You could part your hair any way you want to be honest. You could part it in triangles, you could part it all the way back. You could do whatever style you want. For me, I think the front part I'm gonna do it in triangles. And we're gonna see how it looks. If I don't like it, then I'll change it to like squares. But I think I'm gonna do the triangles. You wanna make sure that your hair is detangled. Again, when your hair is detangled, it's the easiest. So what you could do is you could spray some water, some leave-in conditioner, whatever you want, just to make sure that your hair is nice and smooth.
I'm like too weak, you know? But this one
clear too. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have the base or like the line of the triangle at the back of your head. You can actually have it at the front, you can do whatever you want. I think I'm gonna have it at the back and have the point at the front. So let's see how that works. If I don't like it, then I might switch it, and if I like that one better, I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so this is how the first part looks. The base of the triangle is here, and then the point is at the front. I'm not gonna secure it with the elastic band as yet. I'm just gonna twist it and do like a little loose Bantu knot just to make sure everything looks good, so that way I don't have to take out and put it back in and put stress on my hair. So once you are done your part, you could just easily twist it and make a loose Bantu knot. That way you could always go back to it if you have to go back to it. Just like that. Now on the other side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to now make the point of this part at the back. So you're gonna start from here and then just split that piece in half. And that way you have your two parts right here. Nice and simple. Then again, you want to loose twist it and then put the Bantu knot just to hold it in place. And now I added the same part from the top down, and now you have the same part in all around.
My hair cut by Tim for almost 10 years. He always brings the quality and perfection.
Dedication. Now I'm just gonna go to the back because the back is just so much easier. It's just gonna be two, I'm gonna say Chinese bumps a lot because that's what I'm used to, but it's gonna be two Bantu knots at the back, so we could just put a straight line going down and then twist it and then put some loose Bantu knots. Easy. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into the middle part. This middle part, I think I'm just gonna make 3 sections, make it nice and easy. One diagonal line going this way and another one going this way. So that way there is a triangle part, so 1, 2, and 3. Super easy, super clean. Let's do it. Y'all, I'm looking at this hairstyle and I don't know. We're gonna have to trust the process. All right, so now that the parts are done, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take it out one by one, and then we're gonna add the elastic band to it and the gel, and then we're gonna twist our hair. So that way our hair is protected and nothing is left out. So a tip for this hairstyle is wherever you put the elastic band, that is exactly where the Bantu knot is gonna sit. So if you want it more forward, you're gonna put the elastic band more forward. If you want it backwards, you're gonna put it more backwards. For me, I'm gonna put it away from my face. So I'm gonna make sure that the elastic band is further back. So I'm just gonna take my Eco Styler gel. This is the olive oil one. And then I'm gonna take a little bit. Not too much, just a little bit. And then we're gonna put it on the roots of our hair. I'm gonna take 2 elastic bands to make sure that my hair is secured, and I'm gonna put it, like I said, further back because I want the Bantu knots to sit further back on my head. Just like that. And I want to make sure not to do it too tight because again, when you're wrapping the hair for the Bantu knot, there will be tension and it'll make it a little bit tighter. So make sure you do it as loose as you can. Okay guys, so this is how it looks when we twist it. Like, my mom used to do my hair like this when I was young, so reminiscent just a little bit, but this is how it looks. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our extensions. So we're just gonna take a tiny piece. All right, we're gonna try it. And if you find that your Bantu knots are not thick enough, you can always go back and add more, no problem. But this is the length and the width that we're gonna use for my hair. So I'm just gonna zoom it in a little bit so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So now that we are more up and close and personal, I added some more hair because I realized that might be a little bit too thin. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how we do it. And it's basically how you start a regular braid. If you guys don't know how to start braids, I do have a video of that on my channel. Make sure you guys go check it out. But it's very simple. All you need to do is, start with this one. Wrap the hair around it like that and braid. And that's all it is. You just want to make sure that the hair is attached and it is not gonna fall out. So that's all it is. If you guys want, I'll do it again so you guys can see it, but it's super easy. And if you guys can't start this for whatever reason, you guys could definitely try the crochet method. I just find the crochet method adds a little bit more tension and takes a little bit longer. So definitely try this way first. But again, I'll show you. This is your hair. This is the braids. All you do, put it under. So it's like this, see? And then you braid. And that's all it is. Once you are done braiding it, you are just going to twist it, and I will twist it to the left. So I'm twisting it this way, which is going to the left, and then we wrap it clockwise. That's probably the easiest way to remember it. So wrap it to the left, go clockwise. So, and this is what I mean by don't make the last band too tight, because now that you're adding tension to your hair, it's gonna make that part or that section even tighter than before. So you wrap it to the left and then you go clockwise. And you don't have to wrap your Bantu knot or your extensions too tight either, because it's gonna cause even more tension that you don't want, and it's gonna be so tight that you can't sleep or you can't even like function. So you just want to make sure as well that your hair is covered, so if it pops out, just twist it back in and wrap. After you're done that Bantu knot, take an elastic band and just basically put it over. You can do it once or twice. I do it twice just to secure it so it won't fall off. And this is your first Bantu knot. Usually the more that you do, the easier it gets, and then sometimes you just go back and do over the first one, but this is basically how it is. So I'll show you guys again. So you take your piece of hair, you grab your hair, you can put it on top, or you can put it at the bottom, or you can put it on top. I find it's probably easier at the bottom, and then you just braid it in. To make it easier, I will just braid it all the way down to the length of my hair. It might be a little bit easier as well to wrap it, so that way you don't have to worry about the hair sticking out. So you braid it all the way down to the end, and then you start to twist it just to make sure that the ends are hidden. Just like that. And then what you're gonna do is you are going to wrap your hair clockwise, okay? So hold on to the knot and then wrap it clockwise. And keep your index finger on the top of that knot, so that way it stays nice and flat and it doesn't come out like a cone. Okay, so, and remember, don't wrap it tight, because the more hair you wrap around, the more tension you have, okay? So wrap it very loosely, and then you also want to make sure when you wrap it, it goes to the bottom. Okay, not the top, but the bottom. So you wrap, and it goes to the bottom, okay? Twist it, bottom, twist it, bottom, twist it, bottom. And that's it, that's the next one. Then you take your elastic band, you could double it in your hand like this, and then you could just, well, actually don't do that because it might be a little bit too tight. So put it on. There you go, your second Bantu. Alright, so this is how the front row looks. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's coming along. It's coming along. Let's get the rest of the hairstyle done, and then we could fix it up and make it look even cuter. Okay, positivity over here, positivity. All right, guys, so I am done the hair. This is how it looks. It's like, I don't know yet. I have to get used to it again because I haven't had this type of hairstyle in so long, and it's just like, whew. Let me show you guys the back. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I don't know. I'm just gonna do my edges, see how it turns out, do my face a little bit, and I'll come back. So, all right, you guys, I am back, and this is the final look. So to be honest with you guys, I was like in the mirror for about 20 minutes just looking at the hairstyle and trying to get comfortable with it, and it actually looks pretty cute. Like, it's really good. I like it. I can bang with it. I'm gonna keep it and do my little content pictures for you guys and post it up. So if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys follow me. My link will be in the description box below, and make sure you guys just follow me and support your girl. This is how the hairstyle looks. It's cute. Yeah, I can bang with it. If you guys like this hairstyle, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.